started at Bhimpul and it was 8:30 in the morning and I was waiting for my friend. And it was an amazing trek of 6 kilometers from Mana village. We had to cross the entire Mana village, which was 500 meters, and then we started from Bhimpul and started walking towards the Vasudhara Falls. It is believed that at Vasudhara Falls, Sahadev, one of the Pandavas, has left his body, and then the other 4 brothers and Draupadi went to the Satopanth trail. The path was really tough with boulders and the entire terrain was rocky, but at the same time the view was mesmerizing. We had to cross few glaciers, which was really tough, but at the same time we were really happy.
Search for dopamine, miss your cherry kisses on my chin. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? Now let away, Molly, I'm always with you in my head. Come back again, ooh, Molly, if you're stuck in nostalgia.
After spending an hour at Vasudhara Falls, we decided to come back and started walking by the main glacier we crossed. It was really scary as it was slippery at the noon time as the ice was melting. I highly recommend a trekking shoe while you do this kind of trek. On our way back, we started clicking few pictures, and also the breathtaking view was amazing. At 1:30 p.m. we reached Bhimpul and then went back to our hotel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share your own travel channel, Travel TV. Thank you everyone. Love you.